You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this medical term once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more medical terms, more pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Let's break it down in English. Syncytio, once you know that, you essentially know it all. Trophoblast. Tropho, yes, PH is pronounced like an F, and then blast. So, syncytio, not syncytio or syncytio, syncytiotrofoblast. Stress a bit on that tro syllable, just to give it a bit of rhythm. Syncytiotrophoblast. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.